Upon preparing your property for a pest control treatment, it's time to mix and apply your Advion WDG perimeter spray. To get started, put on your personal protective equipment, or PPE. You'll need chemical-resistant waterproof gloves, long sleeves, long pants, socks, and closed-toed shoes. Each 0.33-ounce water-soluble packet of Advion WDG will be mixed with water to make 1 gallon of finished solution. To make 1 gallon of finished solution, add half a gallon of water to your sprayer. Open 1.33-ounce water-soluble packet of Advion WDG, then pour contents into your sprayer. Close the lid and shake the sprayer to mix. Add another half gallon of water to the sprayer. Close the sprayer and shake one final time. Depending on the size of the structure you're treating, you may need to repeat this step for each gallon of solution needed. Now that you've mixed your insecticide, it's time to spray around your home. You should spray on a calm day when there's no wind and when rain is not expected 24 hours before or after your application to ensure you are getting the maximum pest protection. First, you'll want to spray around the perimeter of the structure's foundation. Using a coarse spray, apply a continual band up to 10 feet around the foundation. For example, a 10 feet band can be 7 feet out and 3 feet up, or 5 feet out and 5 feet up. Then, spray around doors, windows, vents, and where cables, pipes, and wire into your structure. You'll want to make sure to apply enough spray to cover surfaces without having excessive dripping or runoff, and spray enough over any ground coverings to reach through to the soil. Spray the underside of eaves, roof overhangs, and soffits. Foundation cracks and drilled holes can also be sprayed. You'll also want to avoid spraying into or where the spray could run off into storm drains, drainage ditches, or gutters, and around wells and well houses. After you've finished applying your Advion WDG perimeter spray, follow the manufacturer's instructions to clean your sprayer. And it's that easy with the expert help from DoMyOwn.com. Subscribe to our channel for more DIY and product videos.